Gang, what's going on? It's a boy KingYT here. I'm back with another video. In today's video, guys, bro, I'm reacting to JnClips. New video we just dropped, and I put my brother on a blind date with his crush, and this happened. So people tell me to react to it, so I react to it, and you already know how we do, man. KingYT getting lay up in the beach, Lego. You already know. I ain't gonna waste no time, bro. And you said it's funny, so see what I'm going for real, let's eat. So let's go. You already know what to do, man. Drop the video, like, subscribe if you know, you know what I mean. Let's go. Let's get it. Record start now. Video play.
What's up, YouTube?
Clack.
It's your boy JnClips, and we're back with another video in this. As you can see, guys, today some like really exclusive type shit, nothing too minor. I was thinking, to put my brother on a blind date.
Okay, before me go no further, you know what I mean, the video quality low because that how me download it, and that's how the video quality stay up on YouTube, you see me? So yeah.
How you guys, or what you guys think? Like, that's something that you guys wanted me to do for a long time, so it's gonna happen today. So y'all already know. Yeah, I'ma just get to my brother and the person who's going on a date with. Y'all gonna see in the video. Y'all already know. Just likes, smash the like button, comment down below if you want more things like these. You already know. So
they already know who do.
I'm gonna catch y'all guys back
after
the intro. Yeah.
To make one new intro, like seriously.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy that boy Liner, aka DB, aka Mr. Chaser.
Yo, watch out. Listen, me actually bring you in, you know what I mean, to the little blind date thingy what me try to keep right now. Do you know what I'm gonna put you on a blind date, my guy?
Nah, boy.
Believe Lionel.
I don't know. So basically, how do you feel about being on a blind date with your crush?
You know, so me single ladies holla at me also. But yeah, me need one girl right now, so me
bro,
go try.
This you.
Give she one little game and that. Yeah. What you saying, YouTube?
You know what I'm saying? Today we got
Angie.
Yeah, so where you come from, Angie?
Dominican Republic and Puerto Rico, you know the vibe.
You already know. So yeah, she gonna be on a... How do you feel, by the way? Wait. Do you know you're going on a blind date?
No, because you booked me, he said come do a little YouTube video. You want to tell me what it is, so... No, explain what we doing.
I bet. So basically, I'm gonna put you on a blind date with my bro. That's what's gonna happen today. You're gonna be on a blind date. Let's see how it goes, innit?
Dates are
you get me?
Because summertime's coming, hot girls.
We need some milk. All the girls will feel like they might go on hot girls summer. In a hot again. Roro in a building, so call me out tits, bro, you know what I mean? No hot girls summer keeping this year. So yeah.
Trying to be taken for summertime, leave that for winter. Go leave your man every season.
Man, tell you for winter anyway. Listen, I'm gonna get back to you right now anyway. So yeah, guys. These are people right here already know. That boy, yo, introduce yourself, my G.
It's your boy that boy Liner, aka DB, aka Baka, you know what I'm saying? Mr. Chaser bag. Hold the girl up down every day, any day.
Now, bro, before we get into anything, do you know who you have next to you, bro?
No, but she's all sexy. She smells sexy.
Do you recognize the voice or something?
Huh?
You recognize she voice or something, buddy?
A little bit.
Alright, introduce yourself.
It's Angie, you know the vibes. That's not short. You know the vibes. You look constipated for the vibes.
Listen, anyway, look. I'ma make this. look. By the way, guys, I'ma be behind the scenes. I'm not gonna take part in nothing. I'm just gonna be behind the scenes. They're gonna do their thing. I'm gonna ask them a couple questions, and yeah, that's how the video's gonna go. You dig? Take off your phone, man.
Take it off your f***ing head.
KFC, sponsor me.
KFC not sponsoring nothing. Ah, she was helping you and shit.
Look at that. See that face, bro. Jaja. He needs some milk.
You see,
I'm sorry.
why me can't get one girl because she just automatically just look for me and laugh.
Bro, yo, me not like low key, but ashamed that cause like, damn, what a shame. Honestly, like, laugh when me say you look good. My heart.
That's tough.
That's
Sorry, my bad, bro. I shouldn't do that. My bad. Let me just ask y'all the first question, yeah? Do you, okay, y'all gonna start. Do one of y'all consider yourself as toxic?
Toxic?
Yeah.
I can be if you want me to.
One girl called me toxic.
Toxic?
Toxic. Oh, I said, but I told her, only fuck with hoes, I'm toxic.
What's that
You know, they joke.
Was that supposed to be funny?
Yeah, yo.
Watch it, I now come here and try to put me down, you know, as a
Proper video, y'all acting normal. Get to know each other, please. What's your flipping name, you dick?
So, my name's Lionel, right?
Not here to Lionel. Yes, good day.
But they call me Squeaks. Call me Baka.
Why they call you Squeaks?
Because
Why they call you Squeaks?
as you can see, my voice is very squeaky.
You sound like a rat. Are you big age?
okay.
Are you big age? Are you big age?
What are you disrespecting me for? I can't be
Me not understand
mad.
that.
My name's Angie. You can't be rude to sexy girl. Wish I could relate because you're looking a bit, you know. Your face is looking a bit. You see the head. You got me on blinded with dented forehead. Dented head top.
He needs some milk.
That's my nigga still.
You look good. You look good. You look sexy. You look nice.
Yeah.
Touch nice. Why am I touching you? 2 seconds ago you were saying I smell nice. Now you want to complain about me touching you.
I don't want you to touch me, but I'm trying to be.
You see, Spanish boy, what do you mean?
I'm a Spanish guy too, man.
He's
Yeah, tell me
a
something
beater.
Spanish.
Toto grande mi amor. Tata lo video dog.
Mira, te voy a decir una cosa, mi amor. Él es un fake dominicano. He's a gringo. Es un gringo.
You gonna translate this?
Yeah, I'm gonna translate everything.
Es un gringo. Es un maldito gringo. Así que...
So basically, she said that
Entonces, mi amor, let me tell you something.
Yeah.
Dímelo.
Me voy a ponerte en 4 en esa
¿Tú me
cama.
quieres poner en 4 en esa cama?
Oh,
El
God.
español...
Wait, before nobody think, I never shima talk when me say the Spanish word, you know what I mean? Cause just make it clear.
Español
Wait,
tú
what?
también tú. You want... you want to ponerme en 4 en esa cama?
Yo, man said that. Yo, can I translate to the man then real quick?
Yeah.
Translate.
Okay, so basically, she said how he's a fake Spanish dude and that, and he said he want.
Calling me a white man and that.
And then she said how this nigga said how he wanna put her in 4. Yeah, I don't know what.
It's
position
called a
that
fucking
is.
position. Let me show you the fucking position. You know what I mean? I'll go show you.
Bend over, tato.
Yeah,
Yo sé que tú eres
right. So,
maricón.
yeah, you're beautiful, you know what I'm saying?
And you're looking very much ugly, but it's alright. Put me on blind date with ugly man. Ugly man on blind date.
Listen,
I bet. So, rate her from 1 to 10.
she's a 10.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So saying still haven't like
Nah,
her.
you can't do that, you can't do that.
I saw you. Was it? You don't feel nice. Wasn't you the same one saying that you don't? Wasn't you the same one saying you don't want a hug? You don't want me touching you, and now you want to come give me a hug? Me, you want me to rate you from 1 to 10?
Let me see. Okay,
What's that?
you do
A good 7, 8 with a trim, and 8 with a trim, and 7 without a trim. I'm
Yo.
being nice.
Barber shot them
So
open the other day,
I'm
right?
being nice.
Charles.
When I'm
Yo,
watching
it's
shit.
nice in here, bro.
So listen, right?
Now you see, I don't even have a trim as well. So like, make gun.
Yeah, but you got braids. But you got braids for the scalp.
Yeah.
Shit.
So listen, right? You're beautiful.
Thank you.
And why you look me in my eyes?
I'm not gonna chim, like no chim for like
I got you, babe. So.
a week. Give me a week, like a month.
Right now, just I look by you,
Mm.
and me kinda wanna shit on myself.
What?
But anywho.
Nah, what the fuck?
Listen, right?
No, like that idiot in the
It's so
dark.
beautiful, I'm gonna shit on myself. Also,
Why you want shit?
Exactly, bro.
Why you want
What I'm
shit?
trying to say.
listen, cause she give me butterflies in my stomach.
Okay, Lionel. Last time I check a man alone for give girl butterfly dog. Bro, what you say?
Mo, come
So
like
that
I'm
make you
giving
want
you constipation.
He needs some milk. Just forget that I'm
He
here.
acts
I'm a
like
fool.
that's like I'm giving him constipation.
Alright, I'm gonna go.
Am I giving you constipation?
No, you're not gonna make them You're not gonna
Constipation.
shit, right?
Shittings.
You're not gonna shit.
Mm.
You know what I'm saying? Right now, I'm just look on you. I'm
You
not
don't put my
listen,
fucking
right?
like that.
Look on me.
Jesus Christ.
Right? See right now?
Okay.
Looking at your eyes now, so you're beautiful hazel eyes. So I'm kissing.
See, you see how your Clips is brother? That's my guy. That's my bro. You're my bro as well. Like it's not.
Damn. That nigga just got friend
You know what I'm
zone.
saying? That I love for the comments, love, but you're my bro.
Shout out to
You're my bro. You're my bro.
right.
Your Clips is brother. You're my bro. It's family
let me
things.
say
Man,
about
no,
one.
don't business with incest.
Let me tell you what.
White people thing right there.
You said me and you bro. But if me and your bro, you're supposed to love me.
Yeah, I got love for you as a brother. I got love for you as a brother.
That
I got
man
love for you as a
just
brother.
stretch you dog. Me know much I say, but at the same time, dog. That do kind of sound like family ram type
Love
of
you,
talk.
You love me.
But you understand my
I
choice.
love you back. So let's love each other.
I love you as a brother. So love me as your sister's high.
You know what I'm saying? More.
Ah.
I just want
He needs some milk.
This nigga start sing.
me just want to be more than a friend.
Can you back your foot up a little bit? Like just back up your foot a little bit. One little bit.
This is right. Why you have to be so rude?
You can't hold me back.
I'm not being rude.
Alright, let me just ask body counts and shit, bro.
Body count?
Ask questions,
Body
man.
count.
Then.
What's your body count? What's your body
Man,
count? Matter of fact, what is your body count? Let's make this one entertaining.
Yeah.
One. I'm 0. I'm my child.
And this man, some get the hell of pussy, bro. My right now, bro. Me think up there. I bang all these girls, you know what I'm saying, bro? But you up there and say I get one dog.
You're good, fam. Child of the Lord. You know,
She
child of God as
fresh,
well.
bro.
Child of God. You're a child of God as well.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh no, she
See,
fresh.
you're up. Sinner.
See?
Exactly, sinning. Child of God.
God
What's the
send.
most you've done with a girl?
Huh?
What's the most you've done with
Yeah,
a
that
girl?
question that hit you fuck
Most
up. innit?
freakiest face you've done shit with a girl.
Freak, yes, what?
Maddest place you've done shit with a girl.
Mad. You know, boss.
Boss.
In a man shot, the boss like different.
Oh, yeah.
Just so hard, they put it here. Like more.
Say less, my bro. Say less, my bro.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Strap
Wow, you
different
can't
for
say
real
fucking
though.
when you say- Yeah.
Relax. Fucked up it. The weirdest place you G. Weirdest place you G.
In our grass field.
He needs some milk.
Falling in as well or something.
That mean I know when the dog get. Think of the one him a get. Okay. Light and I get dark.
Okay.
Should
One
I
of the ants
continue?
be crawling.
Man,
You
man,
can
they
ask
lose.
the questions as well. Yeah.
Alright, so, how many men have you dated?
I don't claim any of my exes. Nobody out here better be claiming they dated me. I don't claim none of you. I ain't never dated a motherfucker in my life. I've been single my whole life. No exes. No exes. No one better
Okay,
claim me.
then.
No exes.
So, let me tell you something, right? Me want to claim you. And then, see that thing?
You know coronavirus. You ever heard of?
Distance social, innit?
Yeah, you heard of social distancing.
Watch out.
That
Okay,
ain't
out
no
here
social
trying to,
distancing, bro.
You got hand sanitizer.
I mean, yeah.
Let me tell you something, right?
This house got everything, fam. Even got friggin' hand sanitizer.
See me? Me not the type of guy. Well, me the type of guy for the disrespect on female. But you see you, you're special now. Me not look at you. Beautiful
You're the
now,
man. You're the man.
Thank you.
so I want you right now.
Good for
In
you.
a different ways.
You're my brother.
He needs some milk.
Watch out. Incestance, anything. Could be that.
This is.
I mean, okay.
Alright, Lionel, get up and cut. Get up and cut.
You okay?
When it comes to you, right?
But I do. And you're my brother. I don't see that way.
Let a nigga smash. Let a nigga smash.
Watch out. I need you, right?
You need who? God.
You. Watch out.
God. You need God.
Watch out. If you've been dumb for 1 minute, you would have just come out, yeah?
Yeah. You
What?
don't sit your ass back
You know
down.
what I'm saying? I saw like,
They're gonna put a ring on it.
See, it's more like I'm not in an interest thing, so, I got love for you as a brother, fam. It's none of this.
listen, right? Nowhere in science does it say me and you are related, you know what I'm saying?
I like you're my brother. I like you're my brother.
Oh.
So yo, we share mom. We share mom. We share mom. That's your brother.
Clips up crutches. Dog, it shouldn't be up in thick dog. Don't look at weird.
It's incest.
Wait, do you know my mom though?
Yeah. Yo hablo pila con tu madre, fam. Cada vez que yo hablo con tu madre, cada vez que yo estoy hablando con él y tu madre está en la casa, yo digo, si o madre, me dice Dios te bendiga. Y yo y tu madre hablamos.
Oh, true. Anyway, proceed to the video, you know what I'm saying?
Me would I get straight into it, but alright.
Okay then.
What's your favorite color?
Blue,
Pause. Turn on light real quick. Maybe if make a difference, you know what I mean, but
red and purple. What about you?
Me want be the blue, red to you, go.
like, what kind of line in the dog?
You laugh like I'm funny.
Oh, shit.
Well, me not hear no joke.
Yeah, for real, yeah?
Me just want that.
What? Hold on.
Respect, fam, respect.
Respectfully, what you say?
No, not
that
trying.
you wanna take your. You wanna take your.
I make you choke.
Jeez,
You just say where that say.
You need God, fam, relax.
Okay,
None of that,
then.
fam. None of that. Respect me, cause I feel disrespectful.
Alright, let me take
God.
it. Yeah, girls like you.
Dog,
you
I
have to treat
choke you
them.
with it.
You have to treat that like one princess, you know?
Princesa, tú sabes,
Right.
una princesa.
See?
Simple.
Yeah, you know first.
Me want to take you on a date, like on real date. So I
You wanna go on a second date?
Huh?
You wanna go on a second date?
I want to fuck up on every date you take me on.
Jesus,
So me take you.
So if you take her on
Once.
if you take her on a second date, basically, because this is kind of like the first one, where would you take her?
Listen, right?
Where you trying to go?
Yeah, what
See, guys like me also. Me from the Caribbean also. Me not know restaurants like that, but me go find one, right? Me go find one.
You're the man.
And me go, you know what I'm saying? Whatever you like, you tell me if you like, you know what I'm saying? If you're one of the fancy girl that I want steak and so, me go have to go and rob 2 man and so go get the money there. But me go still tell you, you know what I'm saying?
The road and that.
Me feel like, me don't know you, but you look like one of them girls now, so like, you guys are not treat you that way, you know what I'm saying? Girls like, and girls like you, don't go for guys like me, right?
Why? You trying to
Because,
stand prestige?
no. Just try to like,
You're trying to stand prestige?
nice girls don't go for nice guys.
No, we go for people that treat us like shit. That's big facts.
Exactly.
Big motherfuckers.
So me want to change that like that. Me want to treat you good.
Trying to treat me good.
See?
But in 2 weeks, I'm gonna find out you have a girl. Let's tell. So.
No. You see, man like me doesn't do that. That's like more clips.
See the problem
You're
with
that
Caribbean men
bobo
is, yeah?
clips like that.
With me, wait,
Yes.
Kevin man, what? Yo. I'm a liar ass nigga right here, fool me.
Yes.
bro.
Yes, Caribbean. See, the problem with Caribbean men is, yeah, they will treat you good, yeah, and then 2 weeks later you find out his wife is 3 weeks, she gave him birth in 3 weeks. And then they'll come outside your yard with big up stickers trying to get you back and shit.
Me.
Wait. Mess up, man. What you say a while ago?
Yeah, they will treat you good, yeah, and then 2 weeks later you find out his wife is 3 weeks, she gave him birth in 3 weeks.
No girl can't give me that much for the 3 weeks. What the hell?
And then they'll come outside your yard with big up stickers trying to get you back and shit.
Me.
I'm a chest, the man.
Me, I'm one of a kind. You know
How about that in my chest?
Me, I'm one of a kind. Can't. Alright, me might not got all the looks. You know what I'm saying? Me might got the little belly and so. Most of the Caribbean, okay, me never say that, but me could cook. Me could treat you right, cause me say me a loyal guy. Me never ever want sheep
I'm
on
a
girl.
chef, and
Never.
I mean chef.
Never.
White
Not
tea.
once. Not once.
Come, I have to give you a hug for that one. You never cheated on a girl. You've never cheated on a girl. Aww. If I see any of your exes in these comments talking about, yeah, he cheated on me,
So,
we're
yeah.
gonna have a problem.
Me go
We're gonna have a problem.
Yes,
Call
sir.
anyone.
She got y'all, yeah.
And watch it, me never cheat on girl. Girls cheat on me. Feel like who get treated right.
Well,
you
I
have
did
to
it.
treat right. You know what I'm saying? So, we,
Pay attention, fam. My man
yeah,
is
but
going
nobody
deep.
me feel like I'm mother's gun, but yeah,
Yeah.
nobody.
Continue.
So girls, you see, if y'all want a nice guy like she want guys like Clips and guys like that. Are you trying?
He needs some milk.
Clips ain't even trash like that, fam. Clips is a married man. Clips is a married man.
Taking as motherfucker. So anyway, let me ask you this question, innit? Because I know you guys kind of know each other now, like bad. How much do you rate the date? Oh, are you first?
No,
At the beginning, it is done.
It is done, but it's a video right now. It's not gonna be a long
The video was
thing.
a little bit fast, because it's been a bit too. Just how we got a bit too much in it.
Yeah.
But good. 6, 7 out of 10. What about you?
See?
6, 7.
I go rate this a 1-0.
Damn.
I'm gonna rate someone 1 for being nice because I feel like you're never gonna pay attention to me. You know, can't sound about none of my feelings, you know what I'm saying? But that's alright, you know what I'm saying? Girls like you need to be treated right for, you know what I'm saying? For open up and stuff, you understand? Yeah, let me just rate this a 1-1 though. Respectfully.
Respectfully.
You sound kind of, you sound sick, you got coronavirus.
I'm not sick. Anyway, man them. Shout out your thing, what you saying? Look, I'ma just finish this video right here.
But alright, so basically the video done, I mean, so if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe. But I'm feeling for Lionel, but I don't know things that I don't know things that Lionel are real chopper. You don't know things that go subscribe to Lionel and Clips channel down in the description below. You already know how we do. KingYT again up in this base. Song on the way soon, you know what I mean? 24/7. You already know, man. Let's get it.